Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here and want to know more about my channel, then you can go check out my intro video. I'll put it in card bar. Go check out now and also subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video you get notified and don't miss any of my videos. So here I am with the second episode. Without any further ado, let's roll into today's. So this is the second episode of Old is Gold series. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a sweet recipe. Obviously, the sweet which I'm gonna show you is called garge. I'm not sure other synonyms of that name, so I don't know what is. It's made of wheat and jaggery. Only two ingredients you need, so it's very simple, very easy, and it was really fun. And it was my first time making it. It was good. I remember my grandma making it for me always. Like, it was such a memory, and I remember doing this with my grandma. She used to prepare it, but I used to be so excited while she was preparing this because this was my favorite sweet. So whenever I used to visit her, this used to be there in the in the dishes list. So yeah, I have a great memory with that, and it's a very nice sweet, and I love it a lot. And I don't think so you get it outside anywhere, nor I think many people. I think I'll inspire you guys to prepare this and have it. It's a really nice sweet. You must try it. Okay, enough of this. Let's get into the cooking. yummy. It looked yummy, right? Actually, almost while cooking only, I almost finished most of it, and yeah, it is my favorite. I can't resist it. If I once I start eating, I just keep on eating it because it's so freaking yummy. So you must try it, and it's so easy to prepare also, right? Okay, it was little of the mess you have. I mean, I made some mess because obviously I'm not used to cooking it, and this was my first time all by myself. I made it, and it was a success. I'm super happy about that. I was really scared because I was filming also, and if it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out, then what was I supposed to do? I thought, and but still, I think I'm reaching that pro cooking skills. I'm getting that skills. I'm so happy. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so here is gargi. So I have already eaten it, but since I have to eat it in front of you guys once more, and it's and a chance to eat. Why not? Why will I not do that? Right. So yeah, yummy, yummy. Let me finish it. Mm. It's like very, very yummy. You can't resist, After having one, you must, keep on going. It's like that taste is, I don't know. Wheat is obviously wheat and jaggery. It's a good, wheat and jaggery is a good combo, and it makes amazing sweet. It turns out to be amazing. So you must try it and do try it, and let me know in comments if you did. And yeah, guys, that's it about today's video. I wanted to keep it short because our main goal is to show the recipe, not me talking. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe. It's free, guys. It's free. Do subscribe and also hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link below, and also the handle name will be somewhere on the screen. You can go follow me there because I'll be updating you guys when I'll be posting the video and etc. And other things also I'll post there. So follow me there. And yeah, guys, that's it about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and share it with your friends, family, mom, dad, etc. Anyone. So guys, I'll see you next Tuesday, sharp 4 o'clock. Be ready for the next sweet. Have a great day and a great week ahead. Be happy, be bindas. Positive vibes only. I'll see you. Bye.